sloe gin. Now obviously this gin is about, I think, 60% or more volume. And then what you do is get 2 cups full of sloes, at least 2 cupfuls of sloes. Then you put them inside the deep freeze overnight, and then when you defrost them, they're soft enough to actually penetrate the berry, and you put them in a different type of jar than this, a bit opened up with a cork. And then what you do is add about ½ pound of sugar, just under ½ pound of sugar, and that was 1 litre originally, and that's increased to about 1.5 litres I got out of that. But you leave it 3 or 4 months. The longer you leave it, the stronger it gets, and nice flavour. But as it is, I think that's about, I don't know, 50% or 60% strength, that is, with about 3 cupfuls of sloes, 1 litre of gin, and about ½ pound of sugar, and that's about 4 months that's been, probably, or just over, and that's very powerful now, and you'll feel almost the spirit on there knocking your face like petrol fumes. Very powerful. I'm not really a drinker. If I drank a glass of this, and I only had a little bit about a week ago, and doing some training in the garden, I had a job to walk up to the gate. I thought, crumbs, and it is the effect of this, because I'm not really a drinker, though I like a glass of port occasionally, a small glass. But anyway, that's sloe gin. That's how you make it.
Right.
But you leave the berries in here originally, then you siphon it through a cheesecloth into a bottle when you think it's fermented enough to make. See? So probably 3 or 4 months. The longer you leave it, obviously the better it is.